Sephora Favorites Advent Calendar 2025. One of the most anticipated and exciting releases for this holiday season. But is this going to be a hit or a miss? Let's find out together. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm very excited because I was literally fighting to get my hands on this new Sephora Advent Calendar 2025. This is their bigger Advent Calendar they release. They also have one or two smaller sizes, but those are mostly their Sephora collection in-house brand. But this is a collection of brands that are best sellers at Sephora in 2025 mostly. So there are new launches at Sephora, especially here in Europe, and it retails for around 160 euros. Now there are different variants of this across Europe. I think in the UK they have slightly different products, but more or less this is what you get in this kind of Advent calendar. I haven't purchased an Advent calendar since probably 2021 or 2022. I just needed to give it a break because I was feeling that I'm getting filled up with all those products that I'm not able to consume. But Sephora Favorites was always something that I wanted to have, not only to unbox here on my channel, but also to spoil myself. Let's go ahead and open it up. So I love the packaging. Here you have a box. It's quite heavy. In total there are 24 products. I will put on the screen the number of full-size products, and the value is at least 2 times bigger than what I paid, the value of the retail price of the products inside. Alright, now I'm going to open it. I just wanted to have it like this for picture. What I'm going to do is I'm going to tilt the camera. Oh, finally managed to open it. The sleeve was really attached with scotch tape. So this is the actual box, and you have here the little boxes inside. I'm not sure if I should keep it like so or to tilt more the box, because I think if I keep it like this, I'm afraid that things are going to fall. The lid won't stay. I'm so excited! So box number 1, I suppose it is a full-size product, maybe a mascara. We are starting strong with a Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Beauty Light 1 High Blush in the shade Peach Gas. I'm very happy because I don't own this product. For an instance, I thought that is the highlighter 1, but I'm actually very happy to own this one, and I'm going to do a try-on of most of those products in a upcoming video. So day number 1, a full-size product from Charlotte Tilbury. Day number 2, it's a shiny but not glittery box, and we have this is by Cosa Sport Lip Fuel. Oh my god, this is a hyaluronic lip balm. This is what it looks like. I'm going to open it because I'm always on a hunt for a good lip balm. It looks like a lighter. So how do you open this one? Just like so. And you dispense the product from here. It is slightly tinted. That's nice. I don't know why I'm putting those boxes back, because for sure I'm not going to be able to insert them the way they were. On day number 3, we have a Summer Fridays Jet Lag Mask. So I suppose this is for your face. On cleansed dry skin, apply a teeny even layer with fingertips. Maybe used under or over eye area. Another new product for me from Summer Fridays, a brand that I'm yet to try. Day number 4, what could be here? Ooh, this is a milk product. The shade is Burst. Cooling Water Jelly Tint. What do, you little guy? And also, are you full size or travel size? Actually, with milk, I believe this is full size because they have quite small packages. So look what I believe. Oh my god, look at this color. So I believe this is kind of a stain that you can apply onto your lips or on the cheeks. It blends immediately, and indeed it feels really cooling. And also the shade is nice. I'm a little bit rusty on the unboxing advent calendars, given the fact that last year I haven't had any advent calendar, and 2 years ago I only had one, so stay with me. Box number 5 or day number 5 is this one. This is a Sephora brand product, a hydrating Cica cream with centella, asiatica and panthenol for all skin types. Okay, Cica and me are best friends, so I love Cica. And I believe this is also a full size. Made in France is written here, very tiny. Being skincare, I'm not going to open it. 5 days, 5 hits. I know there is a filler product, a filler item. Day number 6 is this one. This is a product that I have precisely in this side. In this size. This is the Moroccan oil treatment. It's for all hair types. It's actually a oil, but it's so lovely. I have another one in this size, and now with this one I think it will last me for a very long time. So a tiny little bit goes a long way. It smells divine and leaves your hair shiny, healthy. Just few drops after bath if you want, so, or when you are combing, when you are styling your hair. It does wonders for your hair. Just from the middle of the hair towards the tips. Don't put it on your scalp, especially if you are oily. Day number 7, it's here. And it's the biggest product. What could it be here? I think it's some body thingy. Not somebody. For body, I meant. Yes! This is my favorite of all time, the body scrub from the Rituals of Yozakura, especially the Yozakura, the purple one. It smells divine and it's a pink sugar scrub. I will insert a small clip with what this looks like, but it's pink and it's just amazing. It leaves your skin like a baby soft. Kid you not, I'm not exfoliating so much my skin, especially where I got tan, because I don't want my tan to fade, but as soon as the tan will fade anyway, I'm going to start using it again. So we were on day number 7. Now day number 8, it's a small box. I love my nails, and those boxes are not very easy to... Oh, she's so beautiful. Fenty Beauty, guys. Written here FB. I don't dare to swatch it. I'm keep it for me. I will just show you the shade. And it smells like vanilla caramel. Absolutely delicious. Look. Day number 9. Day number 9, it's a product. Wait. Okay, I have one. This is the Benefit 24-hour brow setter. Yeah, it's exactly this one that I have, just mine has a different packaging because it was a limited edition. So I can open mine. It's everything I use right now. It has a flat comb and you have short bristles and longer bristles. So what I usually do, I lay down the product and then I work my way to brush. And this is like a lamination. Also holds any unruly brow hair. So very excited, very chuffed to have another backup of this one. So far, 2 products that I already own in the same size. No, 3 products, considering also the body scrub. Day number 10. Another Fenty product. This is the Fenty Hair Heat Protective Styler. Okay, this I don't know if it is a full size, but it's absolutely divine smell. It's so beautiful. So you get here 3 fluid ounces. I will try it and report back. Now I don't use so much thermal styling on my hair, but since the winter comes, I start to blow dry my hair often than during summer. Day number 11. Oh, this is another product that I'm excited for. This is the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Setting Spray. Actually, I wanted to try this one. I am in a setting spray phoria. I love trying new setting spray. So this is right here. Actually, it's a good companion for travel. If you want, so you have 30 ml, so 1 fluid ounce. Click and open, click and close it. The mister is quite fine. Okay, I'm going to slightly move products. Day number 12. Another big jar. No, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? I thought this is a travel size. I didn't believe that this is a Amica Nourishing Mask. I will do a research at Sephora, and wherever I could find prices, I will put on the screen. But I'm over excited. I always love when I get high-end hair products because I love my hair. So this is the Soul Food Nourishing Mask, 250 ml, 8 fluid ounces. Oh, it smells divine, of course. Amica products and cheap. And I think I haven't tried anything from Amica so far. Moving to day number 13, which is this one right here. Ooh, this is the Herborian Skin Therapy. This is a multi-perfecting night serum. I think I have had a serum or maybe an oil from Herborian. I had something similar, but it was an oil in the same size. Always love having a good night serum, and Herborian is a great Korean beauty brand. 14, right here. Oh my god, you guys! This is by Rare Beauty. Soft Pinch Blush Liquid in the shade Worth. Those are highly pigmented. I have another one, but that it's very red. So I cannot use it. It's too much, and it's also highly pigmented. But yes, this is a shade that I totally see myself using it, and it's a full size. So look, this is the applicator. Oh, love the color. And now I need to take a break to wipe my hand clean. Very excited about this one. Maybe I can add a bit, even though I have blush already. Also matches my lip color. Sorry you guys, day number 15, but my mic was detached, so I was speaking, but my mic was somewhere there. So just to let you know that day number 15, it's the Laneige Moisture Water Bank Blue Hyaluronic Cream Moisturizer. I have had this 2 times, and it's a very lovely moisturizer, and also it's a sleeping mask. So it leaves your skin so hydrated when you apply this on top of your skincare and just sleep in it. In the morning, your skin looks like has been drinking water all night, the skin. And you, of course. Lovely. And it's a generous size. I think you have here 30 ml. No, 20. Now I will probably do what I had to do before. So moving to day number 16. We have a full-size mascara by Ilia, which is a clean Sephora brand. I'm always on a hunt for a good mascara. I'm very excited to try this one. So I will try it together with you in an upcoming video. Day number 17. This is a product that I also wanted to try. The Sol de Janeiro Delicia Drench Body Butter Cheriosa 59 fragrance. This smells like chocolate, I kid you not. It's so lovely. I always have the original fragrance, so I'm very excited to try this one. For sure I'm going to apply this during winter because it's very rich body moisturizer. Who will not love and cherish this spa moment for herself during the winter months? Day number 18. This is a Sephora Cream Lip Stain. Shade it's 94. Actually, I am not going to open this one. I have a friend that she loves very much this one, this kind of lip stain. So maybe she's going to want to have this one. So I will keep it for her. Don't tell her. Day number 19. I love this one. I hope it's the scent that I'm loving. This is the Million Gold for Her by Paco Rabanne. Eau de Perfume, 5 ml. I just tested maybe last week in Sephora. It's so small, so tiny. The only downside is that this doesn't have a sprayer. Yeah, unfortunately. I love the smell. 19, a fragrance. Tiny one, but it's lovely. Day number 20. This is by Bioma, another brand that I wanted to try. This is the Melting Balm Cleanser with grapeseed oil and olive fruit extract. Smells really fresh, citrusy. Yeah, always on a hunt for a good cleansing balm, and a brand that is new to me. Day number 21. We are reaching the nitty-gritty. I knew there is a filler item, even though it's pretty. So this is the hair clip by Invisibubble, I believe. It doesn't say here anything, but I think it's by Invisibubble, this one. I have seen it before. It's shiny and it's actually matching. It's actually matching the theme of the calendar. So I usually clip my hair when I'm taking a bath or when I'm doing chores around the house. Day number 22. Ooh, NARS! Power Matte High Intensity Lip Pencil in the shade Dolce Vita. I love this shade on NARS. I don't have anything in this shade, but I know that this is their most sell out shade. So this is it right here. The shade is just perfection. It's also very creamy. Now I have another lipstick, just to give you an idea. Day number 23. I think I know what is this one. She has seen some spoilers. This is by Haus Labs. Glassy Champagne Quartz Bio Radiant Glassy Highlighter Balm. This is a highlighter, but I think it's similar in formula to the one from L'Oreal, the one that I didn't get it, unfortunately. So this is the packaging. And I have quite a few products from Haus Labs. You can barely capture. And what I meant by this is similar to L'Oreal version. Unfortunately, from L'Oreal I didn't get the shade that was viral. I get just the normal highlighter, but this seems to be the dupe, or the higher end dupe for the L'Oreal one. I don't know which one was first, the L'Oreal or this one. It gives a very natural shine. Yeah, it looks like it's wet. And now only one day left. Do we have an eyeshadow palette? Make a bet before opening the last door. Do you think, or the last box, do you think, do we have here an eyeshadow palette? If your answer was yes, we do have an eyeshadow palette. Now every year since I have seen these advent calendars at Sephora, they were having a baby version of Natasha Denona palette. I think this year Natasha Denona did not come out with a baby palette. So we have an eyeshadow palette by Tarte. Amazonian Clay Palette. It's a neutral eyeshadow palette. I'm not sure if I'm going to use it or just keep it for a gift, but it's very beautiful and also nice for travel. You have 6 colors. And those are some of the most popular Tarte shadows. I believe the formula is amazing. So since I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it for me or I'm going to save it as a present, I'm not going to test it right now. But yeah, you guys, please let me know, what do you think about this Sephora favorite advent calendar? Do you think it's a hit or a miss? I think they had a good selection of brands and also products. You have everything, makeup, you have skincare, you even have fragrance. It's a well-rounded advent calendar and one of the best that I've seen so far on the market. So please let me know, what do you think about this advent calendar? And if you enjoy this kind of videos, I have another video that I will put here on the screen. I'm thinking that you are going to enjoy it. Until next time, I want to thank you all for taking the time to watch and wishing you all a wonderful day ahead. Bye!